Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Morpheus token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Morpheus MOR is a decentralized peer-to-peer network designed to power a community-owned ecosystem of general purpose artificial intelligence known as smart agent. Decentralized AI network. It creates a peer-to-peer marketplace for AI, moving away from centralized corporate control, community-driven ecosystem. The network is built and maintained by contributors, providing capital code and compute resources. MOR token utility. The native MOR token incentivizes and coordinates all network activity from staking to paying for AI services. Morpheus project institute lending is 3.9. Morpheus token total supply is 10.48 million and circulating supply is around 7.53 million MOR token. MOR token is listed on CoinEx, Unicoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.